In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in Monday.com. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and head to the workspace where you manage your projects. Once you're in, open the specific board where you want to track milestones. This is important because milestones are added at the board level, so you'll want to make sure you're working in the correct project or workflow before making any changes. After the board is open, look to the far right side of your board columns and click the plus icon. This is where you can add new columns to expand the way your board tracks information. When the menu appears, choose More Columns so you can browse the full list of available column types. Next, use the search box and type in milestone. This will help you find the correct option quickly, especially if your workspace has a long list of available columns. Once you see milestone in the results, click it to add it to your board. Give it a moment to load, and once it appears, the new column will be ready to use. Now that the milestone column has been added, find the item, task, or project where you want to set a milestone. In that row, click the cell under the milestone column. A calendar will open, allowing you to choose the milestone date. Select the appropriate date carefully, since this is usually meant to represent an important deadline, checkpoint, or key project event. After choosing the date, save or confirm it if prompted. Depending on your board setup, the date may save automatically, but it's always a good idea to make sure the milestone has been applied correctly before moving on. If you need to add milestones to other tasks or projects, simply repeat the same process for each row. This makes it easy to build a clear timeline across your board and helps everyone on your team stay aligned on major dates and deliverables. Once you've added all the milestone dates you need, take a moment to review the board. Check that each milestone appears in the correct row and that the dates are accurate. A quick review at the end can help prevent confusion later and ensures your board is set up exactly the way you want it. That's how to add a milestone in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.